Hello everyone, my name is Sagar, and so this video would be the continuation of our last video. So if you remember in our last video, when we run our job, so basically, so for example, let's say if I remove this, and let me remove this, and when I will click on OK, so for sure I should not get any kind of data. But let's say if I have a requirement where when I open my job parameters in my toDate, like the today's date should be defaulted. So this is a very common requirement that we often get. So let's do, or even like in from date, let's put a date like 30 years before today's. So how we can achieve this? So for that we are going to do some changes in our contract class. So what I will do, I will open my contract class for this. I go to Solution Explorer and I will go to my SC contract tool. So here what I need to do, I need to do a implement. Here I will need to write, I want to implement SysOperation initializable. Okay. So as soon as you will do this, then you will get an option to initialize. So here you need to write a small piece of code. So what you can do, you can say public void initialize. You need to make sure you are writing the correct spelling. initialize, and I will simply open this and I will close this. And the only change that I will make here is in my this todate. So 2 days should be basically today's date, right? So I can say 2 days is nothing but today's date. And in my from date, let's say I want to default it 30 days ago. So what I can say, today minus 30, and that's it. And I will save it, and let me do a build, and then we'll see how it goes. So I've done some changes in my controller class. Here inside my new, I have called my class, my method, and my execution mode, and also I have enabled this particular flag here, like show the dialog box. And now when I will go here and when I will simply run this runnable class, so I will get like from date would be a month back from my current date, and to date will be today's date. So what we did, so in this video we have simply defaulted our data contract parameters. For that we simply implement this SysOperation initializable, and here once we implement this, then it's mandatory to write this function, else you will get an error. So we have simply used this initialize function, and inside this function we have used are these data contract members, and we have assigned the default values here. So in our next videos we will see how we can do validation in data contract, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.